everyone, my name is Kim Jasin with the matrix number 277352 and my partner Shirley Chen Yiwen with the matrix number 277397 going to present about air pollution with the themes of nature. Air pollution is one of the common pollution in our environment and we usually can read or hear about it from the mass media. Air pollution refers to the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of the humans and other living things and cause damage to the climate and to the materials. When the air in the atmosphere occurs any harmful gases, dust, smoke or any chemical substance will make it difficult for plants, animals and humans to survive as the air becomes dirty. The sustainment of all things living is due to a combination of gases that collectively form the atmosphere. The imbalance caused by the increase or decrease in the percentage of these gases can be harmful to survival. The ozone layer considered crucial for the existence of the ecosystem on the planet is depleting due to increases pollution. Global warming, a direct result of the increases imbalance of gases in the atmosphere, has come to know as the biggest threat and challenge that the contemporary world has to overcome in a bid of survival.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Shirley Chen Yiwen and matrix number is 277397. Today I will discuss about types of pollutants. In order to understand the causes of air pollution, several divisions can be made. Air pollution can be classified into two sections. They are invisible and visible air pollution. Visible air pollution, as the name suggests, can be visible. The smoke you see over a city an example of visible pollution. Next, invisible air pollution are less noticeable, but they can be more deadly. Good examples of invisible air pollution are sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide. Besides that, it can be further divided into primarily and secondary air pollutant if we go deep. Primarily, air pollutant can be caused by primary sources or secondary sources. The pollutants that are a direct result of the process can be called primary pollutant. A classic example of a primary pollutant would be the sulfur dioxide emitted from factories. Second pollutants are the ones that are caused by the intermingling and reaction of primary pollutant. Smoke created by the interaction of several primary pollutants is known as a secondary pollutant.
The first factor of air pollution is burning fossil fuels-based power plants. Fossil fuels present a wide-scale problem when they are burned for energy in power plants. Chemicals like sulfur dioxide are released during the burning process, which travel straight into the atmosphere. This type of pollutants react with the water molecules to get something known as acid rain. This is one of the reasons that alternative energy sources such as nuclear, solar, and wind are being explored in greater details. They tend to release much less pollutant into the environment to produce equivalent amount of energy. Besides that, exhaust from factories and industry is also a factor cause the air pollution. Manufacturing industry release a large amount of gases like carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, organic compounds, and other chemicals substances into the air and cause depleting the quality of air. Manufacturing industry can be found at every corner of the earth, and there is no area that has not been affected by it. Petroleum refineries also release hydrocarbon and various other chemicals that pollute the air and also cause the land pollution.
Moreover, the effect of air pollution is respiratory and heart problem. The effects of air pollution are alarming. They are known to create several respiratory and heart conditions like asthma, heart attack, and stroke, along with cancer, among other threats to the body. Several millions are known to have died due to the direct or indirect effects of air pollution. The second effect is child health problem. Air pollution is harmful to your health even before you take your first breath. Exposure to high air pollution level during pregnancy causes miscarriages as well as premature birth, autism, asthma, and spectrum disorder in young children. It also has the potential to damage early brain development in a child and cause pneumonia that kills almost 1 million children below 5 years. Children are at a greater risk to short-term respiratory infections and pulmonary diseases in areas exposed to air pollutants. The third effect is global warming. Another direct effect is the immediate alteration that the world is witnessing due to global warming. With increases temperatures worldwide, an increase in sea level and melting of ice from colder regions and ice birth, displacement and loss of habitat have already signaled an impending disasters if action for preservation and normalization are not undertaken soon. Lastly, the effect of air pollution is acid rain. Harmful gases like nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide are released into the atmosphere during the burning of fossil fuel. When it rains, the water droplets combine with this air pollutant, become acidic, and then fall on the ground in the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage to humans, animals, and crops.
The impressive solutions to air pollution is lessen the impacts of cars. Cars and vehicles create exhaust full of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and other pollutants. Driving less in favor of public transportation, biking, or walking helps decrease air pollution. Also, using car with increased fuel efficiency or electric car that do not rely on fossil fuels can decrease the amounts of pollutants that we are contributing to the atmosphere. Carpooling is also one of the best ways to decrease the air pollution and save energy. In addition, using energy-efficient devices can reduce air pollution. CFL lights consume less electricity than their counterparts. They live longer, consume less electricity, lead to lower electricity bills, and also help us to reduce pollution by consuming less energy. Several attempts are being made worldwide on personal, industrial, and governmental levels to curb the intensity at which air pollution is rising and regain a balance as far as the proportions of the foundation's gases are concerned. This is a direct attempt at slacking global warming.
In conclusion, air pollution leaves a huge negative impact on our environment, human life, animals, and others. We as responsible citizens must take steps towards a better tomorrow. We must join hands to take various initiatives and fight against this problem. A lot of innocent lives are put in danger due to pollution every day. If we do not do anything from now on or take a stand to make the earth pollution-free, then the doomsday will be upon us very soon.